In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to transfer large files with Wi-Fi Direct from Android to another. 1. Open Settings on your Android device and navigate to Settings, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, Connections, and tap on the three-dot menu icon to select the Wi-Fi Direct for some devices. 2. Enable Wi-Fi Direct on both devices. From the available devices list, tap on the name of the device you wish to pair with. Open your File Manager app on the send-in device. Select the files or folders you want to transfer, and then choose Share or Send and select Wi-Fi Direct from the sharing options. Once the connection is established, file transfer will begin. Depending on the file size, the transfer may take a few minutes to complete. While Wi-Fi Direct offers fast transfer speeds, it may encounter compatibility issues between devices from different manufacturers. Consider using third-party file transfer apps that utilize Wi-Fi Direct for seamless sharing across devices, like the app ShareMe. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.